Big week last week. The Gannon match and then Mercyhurst and so much going into this last few weeks of the season. And you as well, you've been a huge part of the season thus far, leading the team in blocks. How has this season been for you, the progressions through the year, and now so late in the season, being able to lead the team in a category of blocks?
I think it's awesome. It's a good feeling. We've really grown as a team all around. Our Gannon match was awesome. It was completely disciplined. And we should have ended on top, but it didn't go as planned.
Let's expand a little bit more on that match. Went all the way down to the wire.
Yeah.
One of the best volleyball matches you can see, back and forth with each team. You both are so equally matched, and you were equally matched the first time you met, despite being swept by the Golden Knights. What kind of happens in a match like that for a volleyball player? I mean, you're so close to victory, but at the same time, then you just end up getting defeated. What is that like, being on the court for one that goes all the way down to the fifth and deciding set, and even going past the 15-point mark?
It's nuts. It really is. It's a crazy feeling. It's definitely a different feeling than playing like a really easy team. It really just comes down to the wire.
Coming down to the wire is this season. Postseasons are within reach, but at the same time, they seem so far away.
Yeah.
You got some big matches coming up. You got Cal, you got Seton Hill, all coming up right here at home at Macomb. What is kind of the mindset of the girls right now going into these last few matches of the season?
The girls are really pumped. Everyone's kind of in the right mindset, I would say. We're ready to practice this week, that's for sure. We're working on new things, maintaining our discipline, everything, so that we're comfortable going into the match. But we're pretty pumped.
Coach has so much trust in you girls. She says if you keep up your level of play you've had, you can beat nearly any team on your schedule from here on out, and you could have beaten any team this season. In your opinion, what needs to happen so that you do come out victorious in these upcoming matches, which means so much as far as PSAC West playoff scenarios?
We got to listen to her. We need to stay disciplined as a team, go for everything, play our hearts out, practice hard, and then our practice will reflect into a game.
What would make this season successful in your opinion? Is it qualifying for the postseasons? Is it finishing strong this regular season? Do you need to win a postseason match? What needs to happen for it to be successful at the end of the day in your mind?
I think we just need to keep winning. We really wanted to get into playoffs. There's still a chance. Yeah, we just got to keep playing hard.